Hey guys, I'm back. So here it is in a bit better lighting. I'm filming off the GoPro. Yeah, so apart from last night, the only thing I have done is put the blue tape on the tray. Really simple and easy, and yeah. Oh yeah. So what I am now doing is bringing up the user manual that you can get from MakerBot.com. So this just helps. So apparently I am up to step 4. So I've got my Ethernet cable just there. I've got all the other cables and accessories. I'll do that later. So right now it's up to remove clips, which are the orange bits underneath. 2. And what I really love about these, because these are actually 3D printed, and you can see all the layers, so it's awesome, and that's actually very high quality print. I find that really amazing. I'm going to keep these just because I can. So, remove clips. Next, install MakerBot Smart Extruder. So that is this thing that I showed you in the last video. Yeah, so it's actually held in by magnets on these sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, just need to slide that out just a bit. It should line in with about there. Just want to make sure it's in. Give it a bit of a jiggle. I didn't hear no click, so I'm relying. You know what? It's actually held in there quite good for magnets. Not bad. So, blah blah blah. Connect facing extruder. Magnets will lock Smart Extruder in place. If you need to install Smart Extruder again at any time, go ahead. Control panel. Blah blah blah. Should be able to take off some of these stickers that I'll leave them on. Okay, sweet. So the next thing to do is open the filament drawer. There we are. Booyah. Now, after that, it is put the filament in. Now, I forgot the filament. So this is the one that came with it. So let's open this and put it in there. Batman knife. Cool. Okay. More rubbish then. Sweet. Guide this through the hole. So, once we've done that, make sure it's in, it's all correct, is put the masking tape on the board, which I already done that, and now it's to put it in the actual machine. So, as you can see, I got, if not all, the air bubbles out. And this should apparently just slide in. Wow, that's very easy. Oh, that's flush. I'm guessing that's correct, because that's very flush. So, awesome. I'm happy so far. So, everything's gone good so far. Child-proof. I don't know what the frame of the GoPro is, so. Okay, so after I do that, finally plugged in correctly. It's on, I think. So, that's it there. Starting up, please wait. Booyah. Now I did get this piece of paper with it. It basically says before you begin, make sure you install the MakerBot desktop, which I already have. I installed it actually a couple of months ago when I first knew that I was going to get one. So, ooh, some pretty noises. That looks so pretty. Okay, now blah blah blah. When you turn the machine on, ask you start your machine, connect to 3D printer. Please do it via LAN Ethernet cable. Okay, provided you do it by Ethernet cable. Now it says welcome to the MakerBot Replicator Desktop 3D printer. Let's get set up so you can start printing. Press the top button to return a previous screen or cancel. Press the bottom button to open the menu with options. Leveling build plate. Now we'll level your build plate using leveling knobs. Okay, so that's underneath. They're just the basic knobs. It's quite loud. Finding home position. Wow, I'm glad it's taken a lot quicker. I'll try to get a better angle for you guys. As you can see, now it's finding home, so I have to wait until it's finding exactly home, then I'll put it together. Right now I'm using this thing as a stand for you guys. You know what, that's a perfect spot right there. So that's it there, guys. Finding home position still, may take a few minutes. So I'm gonna pause this video and show you guys when it's done. Just so, yeah. Oh, come on. As soon as I press the play button, it goes back to... Okay, it started doing something before. So. Oh, there we go. Calibrating build plate. Okay, now this is the part where I adjust. Try to get a good view for you guys. Yep, adjusted leveling. We'll now move to the next calibration point. Now I'll probably just do the same and I'll have to turn the knob under here. I am twisting it. Must have twisted a fair bit. Checking position. Position calibrated. Assist leveling will now move to the next calibration point. That's basically what it says. Continue. Okay, it's gonna do its thing. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, so I'll just move you back just a tad. It's going to be all distorted because of the... Okay. Your build plate is now level. Let's load the filament so you can start printing. Load the filament, blah blah blah, lift it up, put it in. Tray and feed it through the guide hole tube. Should do now, yep. Put it in, yep, now put it down. Okay. Ooh, red. Okay, now I've got to wait for it to start heating. I'm just going to put that here so it doesn't go on the inside. So, right now it's heating. I'll lift up this case again. So, now what I have to do is wait for that to fully reach the right temperature, 230 degrees I believe. Oh, you hear the fans going? It's the fans in here. Still 22, 23, 25, 26, and it's gonna go away. So, yeah, my next step is, after this, is load the filament. Load the filament, then do a test object, and yeah, then there's a few ways. I'm going to connect it via an Ethernet port, which I've spent half an hour feeding around. You know what, that actually gets hot pretty quick. 51%. Stuck at 95, 96%. I've done the build plate leveling. Next, 97%, 211. None of this crap. I'm just going to get rid of now. Push your filament into a smart extruder until you feel it being pulled. Wait till you see the filament beginning to extrude. Okay, great. You can change your filament in the future in the menu. Great, we're ready to print something. So I'm just going to get rid of this excess plastic that actually cures in a straight. Awesome. So next, ooh, so many different test prints. I'm amazed. Which one shall we choose? I might just do the nut and bolt for the test print. So, I'm guessing. Print time, 42 minutes. Wow, that's actually quite a long time. Info. Layer height 2 mil, shells 2 mil, faults, true, PLA, nut and bolt. You know what, that's actually a very good LCD screen. It's almost as good as an iPad. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back, I'm going to try something that might be a bit less filament. Go with the chains or the coffee table. I might do the coffee table first. 29 minutes. Heating extruder. So it's going to do its thing. I'm going to set you guys up again, so you guys can see. Pull me up. Okay, and you know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to do a little time lapse, so 29 minutes, I'm going to do a pic. See you then.